अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। मेरे दोस्तों में शहजाद हुसैन आपका दोस्त।
Dr. Brown to occupy his mind and his heart for the rest of his life. My father had great ideas and hopes about the future of this country, clearly, but only thanks to the just government of the country he loved. Wanasukuma Oginga Odinga will be a time of stock-taking for the whole opposition movement in Kenya. Sherekea kifo chake kuangalia kwamba anaenda kwa usalama, tuangalie kwamba tutafanya yale Jaramogi alitaka kufanya.